Alright, so I was recently asked what advice do I give to anyone who's looking to start out with web development. Now, the first advice I give is you need to know and of course practice how to work with HTML and CSS. Second, you need to practice JavaScript, but JavaScript programming before JavaScript for web development. Okay, so JavaScript programming focuses on enhancing your programming logic in order to write simple and better code and to ensure that this code works without running into errors. Like that, you could enhance your JavaScript programming logic before implementing this logic to practice, to be exact, JavaScript for web development. Luckily, JavaScript programming doesn't require any implementation of HTML and CSS in it, so it's possible to practice HTML and CSS on one side while practicing JavaScript programming on the other, before combining all what you've practiced and start building better, simple and reliable web applications. That was possible for me, so let's get started.